These birds are so beautiful. They don't even look real. Number 5, Atlantic puffin. Bright beak, bold colors, and a tiny penguin vibe. Easily one of the cutest birds on Earth. Number 4, golden pheasant. Flaming gold feathers, deep reds, and dramatic patterns. It looks like royalty in bird form. Number 3, scarlet macaw, a flying rainbow. Those red, blue, and yellow wings are impossible to ignore. Number 2, bird of paradise, known for its insane courtship dances and unreal feather shapes, nature's performance artist. Number 1, peacock. When it spreads its feathers, nothing compares. Pure elegance, color, and drama. Which bird wins for you? Follow for more stunning nature lists.